Hi, good evening, everyone. My name is Jorge Gimeno. I'll be talking today about a nice little thing called Mezzanine CMS for Django. I was looking to start a blog, and that's something I'm still working on. And one of the things that I'm kind of fanatical about is not reinventing the wheel, because the best code that you could ever write is someone else's tested code. Right? It has no bugs. So it really makes your job easier when you reuse tools. And a lot of Python is about reusing tools. A lot of software development is about reusing tools, which is IPI is about reusing tools. So I took a bit of advice out of 2 Scoops of Django, and I went onto the Django packages site looking for something to help me put a blog together. And I found this. And started playing with it, and I found lots of good things that I thought that I'd share with you all. If you're not doing web development, feel free to tune me out for the next 5 minutes. I promise that I'll wake you at the end of the presentation. So, what does Mezzanine bring to the table that makes it so wonderful? It uses tools that a lot of us are already familiar with if you use Django. Things like Postgres, Magic Database, Nginx, Unicorn, Memcache. So we're not bringing a lot of unusual technologies in case you want to branch out of the base functionality of what Mezzanine brings you. Very easy to customize to your own needs. This is another thing too, for anyone that's actually had to deploy a site from your laptop to somewhere on the cloud, oh yeah, you will learn the meaning of the word pain. It provides a Fabric script for you to do that for you if you're using a virtual cloud server. If you've never played with Fabric, it's a really awesome tool that's kind of like using a shell, except you don't have to type anything. It does it for you. The Fabric command to deploy this is about 127 commands in total. You just watch them scroll up on your shell, and it's actually pretty awesome. It does provide an admin page, which we'll see in a minute or two on the next slide. So you can customize your site easily without having to do a whole lot of diving into templates and forms and pages. Oh my. There are site themes available. There's not a whole lot of free ones. Most of them are paid. But you do have the ability to customize it yourself. I probably will either pay for a theme or hire someone, because front-end development is not my cup of tea. I may just go through it just once at least to find out what it's all about. And again, it's designed to be flexible. There's lots of plugins available. You can use it for a blog. You can use it for e-commerce. There's a plugin available for that. You can use it for all kinds of things, to host video. And again, I mentioned e-commerce. There is an e-commerce plugin available called Cartridge, developed by the same folks, that plugs in seamlessly with Mezzanine. That is an example of what the admin page looks like. That's the demo one off their site. It makes it really easy to add content. And this comes already included. You can also customize the admin page itself if you find that you have some particular needs that it doesn't fulfill. So that's my pitch for Mezzanine.
Questions? You have tags to the posts? You have tags to the posts?
Yes.
Would you repeat the question?
The question was, can you add text to posts? Yes, you can. You can add HTML to posts. It'll mark them up for you.
Tags?
You can also add tags as well. There's a tag engine inside the blog module. Yes, Dan.
Can you make your posts in Markdown?
Can you make your posts in Markdown? I don't recall off the top of my head. I believe that either you can or there's a plugin available, but I can get back to you. Yes, ma'am.
What did you not like about it?
The fact that it doesn't run on Django 2.0 yet. Django 2.0 has a lot of cool stuff going for it, but it is relatively new, and it only runs on Django 1.10. So it's a little bit behind the times. But having said that, even Django 1.10 is a pretty stable version.
Yes. You see yourself extending it? if so, what would you add to it?
What could I add if I would extend it? You can add support to host your static files somewhere else, like on Amazon S3, especially if you have a huge amount, like video files. That's one possible extension. I mentioned the e-commerce extension. There's extensions to add support for distance if you're doing blog stuff. There's a red clone available. There's a lot of stuff available.
Is Mezzanine CMS a sort of standalone, not to be folded into a larger Django site?
It is designed to run on its own. Having said that, you can make it a part of a larger site if you want, but it's not something that works that way out of the box. You kind of have to shoehorn it in there. Having said that, it is possible.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.